Hi, my name is Dr. Terry, and for today's video, I would like to share with you a treatment I called the Threads of Life. Now, I came up with this name after seeing two of my favorite regenerative treatments, the platelet-rich plasma or PRP and thread lifting combined together to create a more natural, long-lasting results in terms of firming, lifting and restoring the youthful features of the face. Now for today's video, I have my beautiful patient with me, Leona. I'm going to let her tell you her own story.
My name is Leona. I'm 50 years old this year in May. I have 2 grown-up children, 2 teenagers. I am a Pilates teacher and I love looking after myself, being healthy, exercising. Main concerns, I think, are noticing how everything is kind of falling south. So kind of to lift up around the jaw, the neck, all this area particularly. Obviously always eyes, general lines and just general care of the skin. I'm not nervous about Terry doing the treatment. I've been to Terry before for Botox, for fillers, I've had PRP, so everything is always very natural. You don't kind of look distorted anyway, so it's just kind of keeping what I have and keeping it looking youthful and healthy in a very natural way.
So as Leona said, her main worry was the lower part of the face, especially the jawline and her neck, and particularly the upper face and the forehead. For Leona, we've done Botox in the past to lift it out. Now, after a while, we don't want to do too much Botox because we don't want to completely drop the eyebrows. And we've done filler for her cheek and a little bit of jaw, but it doesn't really do much for the skin. So this treatment is really good for her as the next stage. Because what we're going to do, the thread lifting will give the initial lift, lifting up the kind of the excess skin just a little bit to give her a bit more definition, and then we will use more stimulating threads to kind of firm up the skin and kind of define the jawline a little bit better. The PRP provides the natural growth factors, which basically boost circulation, boosts the healing process, and also promotes skin migration to help around the tissues and the skin to not only restore the youth and the definition of the face, but also the skin health, which is really the key to its longevity. So let's get started. Phase 1, preparation. First, we will prepare Leona for the treatment. We use an aseptic technique, drapes, and sterile skin solutions to prep the skin. Phase 2, PRP harvesting. Here we'll be drawing Leona's blood and centrifuging it down to harvest the platelet-rich plasma or PRP and activate the growth factors. Phase 3, skin marking. Before we start, we'll need to do some skin markings to ensure the best results. This will give you some idea on the direction of threads and the vector's focus. Phase 4, local anesthetic. To ensure comfort, local anesthetic is injected at the site of entry, and we administer a few nerve blocks on the face, like how you would do at the dentist to numb the face as much as possible. Phase 5, thread lifting and PRP. Now we do the first part of the treatment, which is the PDO threads. We first use the thread lifts to give a nice lift in the lower face and forehead, before we use some threads to increase the definition and firmness of the skin. Now during the treatment, we inject small doses of PRP along the lines of the threads, so the growth factors can circulate around the threads to boost collagen and elastin production. Swelling is expected, which will settle in about 3 to 5 days' time. There may be tenderness and bruising, which can last up to 2 weeks. Now results continue to improve up to 6 months and can last between 18 months to 3 years. Results will vary with individuals depending on your lifestyle, skin health and degree of volume loss and loss of definition. I hope you found this treatment video useful. I'll be seeing Leona in the clinic in the next few weeks, and I'll be posting her updated photos in our treatment blog. If you'd like to follow her progress, please visit our website, drterry.com. If you have any questions about our treatment, please leave it in the comment section below. Until then, have a great day and thank you again for watching.